好，下面我们来看一下这一道题 Divorce。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。Researchers have found that 这个 d 做出口型，不要读成 found that 是错的。Found that， 如果我们要在 that 后面停顿的话，这个 t 应该怎么样？要清楚，对不对？你不能读成 found that 是错的。Found that divorce has different kind， t 千万不要读成 different， has different kinds of 前后连在一起 kinds of negative impacts on the planet， 这个 t 要清楚，因为这里会有个停顿，对不对？有个逗号。Including higher demand， 这个单词念 demand， 那要连在一起呢是 demand for， 这个 d 呢就弱化了。OK， 所以单词本身读的时候呢是很清楚的 demand， 但是放到句子当中 demand for resources and a lower rate of 前后连在一起 rate of a lower rate of efficiency in the use of household resources， 所以这个 of 和这个 of 呢，我建议大家我们都不要停。OK， 就是从这个 a lower rate of 到后面我们都不要停。好，那我们看一下在哪里停顿。Researchers found that 这个 that 我们这里可以有个停顿。第二呢 ，including higher demand for resources and a lower，OK， 这个 and 呢，我们可以有一个 tiny pause 是没有问题的。我们试一下，连在一起。Researchers have found that divorce has different kinds of negative impacts on the planet, including higher demand for resources and a lower rate of efficiency in the use of household resources。哎，没有问题。第二部分 ，People have been talking about， 但是句子当中这个 t 要弱化 ，talking about how to protect 这个 t 弱化 ，the environment 这个 t 弱化 ，and combat climate change。OK， 半句话里面这几个 t 呢，1、2、3、4、5这5个 t 我们都要格外留意一下。OK，People have been talking about how to protect the environment and combat climate change。我们有哪个 t 的发的是非常清楚，对不对？因为在句子当中呢，属于一个连读，不能读成 talking about how to protect the environment and combat climate change， 这是绝对是错的。OK，t 一定要非常非常弱，甚至是做出口型没有这个音。But 这个 t，OK， 句子当中 but divorce， 对不对？一定要这个音要收住。But divorce， 很多同学说老师我读的非常的弱，行不行 ？But divorce 也是可以的。But divorce is an overlooked factor that 这个 t。注意 that needs to be considered 也是这两个 ed 要注意，这个 ed 要清楚一点，对不对？因为一句话已经结束了，我们把这两部分连在一起。People have been talking about how to protect the environment and combat climate change, but divorce is an overlooked factor that needs to be considered。好，整段话我们再读一遍，大家跟着我一起。Researchers have found that divorce has different kinds of negative impacts on the planet, including higher demand for resources and a lower rate of efficiency in the use of household resources. People have been talking about how to protect the environment and combat climate change, but divorce is an overlooked factor that needs to be considered. All right, thank you guys.